Welcome to NovaEx AI, ladies and gentlemen. So this project launched on the 21st of June and is currently trading. You can see this is the price. One NEX is currently equivalent to 0.36, and I have earned this amount from airdrop and is currently logged. Now you would want to know how to unlock your tokens, and that is what I'm about to walk you through right now. But before we get into the details, I'd like to get this disclaimer out of the way. This video is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor, so you endeavor to do your research and be responsible for actions taken after watching this. Anything that involves trading cryptocurrency is risky, right? So have this at the back of your mind. So with that said, let's start from the official Twitter page where they shared the NEX activation notes. I want to show you guys some of the basic principles. The first one is you buy NEX on Pancake. That was before. Now I think now they have the future on the platform itself. The second one is to deposit NEX into your Nova AI account. All right, you don't have to do this because you're buying it on the platform. So the second step is eliminated. You choose an AI trading plan cycle. After completing the cycle, you activate the corresponding NEX benefit. The minimum NEX required to participate in a node plan is 100 NEX. Back here, so this swap has now been effected both on the app and on the web page. I'm currently on the web page, right? So if you are down and you are ready to buy some NEX and going to AI node, the first thing you need to do is to deposit. So you click on deposit here. And these are the currencies available. There is Ethereum, there is TRX, there is BNB, there is USDT. So you can deposit in any of the listed currencies here, but if in case you want to go with USDT, you click on USDT, you click on confirm. Now, which network? Is it BP20? Is it TRC20? Is it Ethereum? So let's say you're going with BP20, Binance Smart Chain, just for the illustration. You click on confirm here. Now a wallet address will be displayed. So you copy this address, you go over to your exchange or wherever your tokens are, and you send the amount that you want to use to buy NEX into this wallet, and you come back. And after the transaction is confirmed, you will receive it. Now, if you're going for 100 NEX, take note, you have 0.36 as the price. So that should be around $36. So make sure you have something slightly more so you don't end up sending and then it's not enough, right? So after sending and receiving, just as I have mine here, the next thing is to swap. So you click on the swap button. Now if you swap into another token, maybe you sent in TRX or you sent Ethereum or any other token or BNB, you can actually select here. Then you select the token. BNB, which one did you send? I sent USDT. So I'm going with USDT. So now I want to swap USDT to NEX. Then you click on this button here to take USDT to the top because that's what you're swapping from. So at the current rates, 1 USDT will give you 2.7495 NEX. So let's say you enter 37. This will now give you 101. Alright, then you click on swap. So this is it. This will take 37 USDT. You confirm it. You have successfully swapped 37 USDT to 101 NEX. And confirm this, you have available 101 NEX and 3 USDT. Alright, so to go into AI node, you click on the AI button in the middle here. Then you have different plans. There is one for a day, there's one for 7 days, there's one for 15, there's one for 30 days, and they all have their different yields. One for 1 day we get you 0.5 to 0.6. One for 7 days we get you 5.5. One for 15 days we get you 13% to 14. One for 30 days with long term we get you 30 to 33, right? So let's say we're going with one for 7 days. So you click here. Now you enter an amount. Minimum is 100. So let's click on max. Now the profit rate is this 315% per year. This is per year, right? But then I'm doing it for 7 days. So the estimated maturity profit will be 6.1 NEX. You click on start trading and you click on confirm trading. Created successfully. You can check the details. So this is it. It's running. Your reward countdown is in 6 days, 20 something hours and so on. So you can stop this anytime. If you want to stop, you can stop it. It's currently running. When it ends, all your orders that have ended will be ended. The one that are running will be in running, right? So that's how to unlock your NEX. If you have NEX that you got from airdrop, no matter the millions, you need to participate in this AI trading to be able to unlock it, and I just showed you how to do that, right? So there you have it, guys. Remember, you can stop it anytime. If you have a need and you feel like to stop, you can just click on stop and you get back your NEX, which you can swap. This way is actually easier than buying it from pancakeswap, right? So thanks so much. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable the little notification bell icon to be the first to see my next video.